Here at NWC, we deploy a unique approach to generating income online. We've created a very clear path to financial freedom that is not solely dependent on your own efforts and not like the pyramid scheme networking marketing companies that pay out 5 and 10% and only built for the seasoned vet. Whether you're new to the industry of generating income online or a seasoned 6, 7, or even 8-figure earner, our pay plan is easy to understand and powerful enough to meet any personal financial objectives. We've proven that anybody from any socioeconomic background can create or maintain the lifestyle of their dreams. We've scrupulously crafted a pay plan that, in my opinion, is second to none. When you join NWC, you have the option of becoming a reseller of one or all of our 7 courses. Imagine getting paid 100% commissions every day from customers all over the world. We're talking $25 per month, $50 per month, even $100 per month. This is 100% commissions paid direct to you and residually. All followed by our big ticket courses of $250, $1,000, $3,500, and $7,500. How would an extra $1,000, $3,500, or $7,500 in a single day, week, or month impact your everyday life? Listen, people from all over the world are diversifying their income by adding an extra $25 to $7,500 in their pockets monthly, weekly, and many even daily by sharing our education and empowerment products and using a system that works for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in every time zone across the globe. Our system does all of the selling, telling, explaining, and follow-up. Guess what? You get paid 100% commissions direct. We call our compensation plan the Power of 4. Whether you share this with 4 people or you use our marketing tools and resources to find 4 people for you, you'll be on your way to your first $25 to $7,500 or more this week. Unlike traditional opportunities where your sponsor makes money off everyone you bring in, better known as a pyramid, we decided to offer a clean, leveraged affiliate program. Let me explain the Power of 4. Everyone is required to pass up their 2nd and 4th sale to their inviting sponsor. Now this is the leverage element of our comp plan because your income potential is not solely dependent on your own efforts. We all work synergistically to create the lifestyle we all so passionately desire. Let's use our $250 course for example, broken down over the course of just 3 weeks. After you've shared this with just 4 people. Week 1, 4 new people join your business for a total of $1,000. You keep your 1st and 3rd sale. You pass up your 2nd and 4th sale to your inviting partner. You bank $500. Week 2, your 1st and 3rd sale pass up their 2nd and 4th sale for a total of $1,000 paid directly to you. That's $1,500 in just 2 weeks. All yours. Week 3, those 4 pass up their 2nd and 4th, banking you another $2,000 for a total of $3,500 paid directly to you in just 3 weeks. What could an extra $3,500 do for you and your family this month? This process continues to infinity. The possibilities are limitless. So how do you build your business? You can share this with just 4 people and watch your income explode, or you can use our marketing tools and resources to help you find 4 people, drive them to this video presentation, and help them do the same. Get back to the person who thought enough about you to send you this presentation and get positioned now. It's time for you to learn, earn, and live an epic life.